All right, so this morning, the exclusive news, Abramu, on this very channel. And the two him say, picking info be from the camp of Asante Kotoko concerning Coach Ogum and the club no. After Enra, the PMO Ewo a year Kotoko game of boy against nations, Na yanyan TSM. At the end of 90 minutes, pressure be brave by IMC so from some of the supporters concerning Kotoko and the fact that they believe say Enyoma entimians sa a bad thing for Kotoko to perform and perform well. Now I remember news in the air, na even said there be na in some way the moko fe free him fa and amodiaba and pay. But the catcher must say, Yampema nkopem se no nsia bebo no na enyoma mu etimi adaho ama asem no maybe anokre ne da no eba abeda abonten ama ye nyina yetimi ehu. I remember making that statement emphatically. Na from an opana basis abre nkomo bebre akoso but na SMP for take your more time kakra. Na around 4:30 and officially club no a make announcement a post here on the Facebook page, and there's the statement or say Asante Kotoko has this afternoon, or Asante Kotoko Sporting Club has this afternoon parted company with head coach Prosper Nete Ogum. Nese Asante Kotoko na wiye kan sisudia e de akire wiase nyina se ona na head coach Ogum omontem etimi atete. This decision was reached following a constructive discussions between both parties with a shared understanding that it is in the best interest of the club at this time. Obi will show me video whether inside Kotoko or Porcupine Stand and me catch you say this discussion is after a meeting. Koso. Now in the meeting, there were a lot of conversations. Our meeting 2 years. What kind of say this decision was reached following a constructive discussions between both parties with a shared understanding that is in the best interest of the club at this time. So our kind catch us say Kotoko de making position clear to coach FN Ogum. Say coachy adwuma no yentimi no onye. But after coach tries Obed explaining issues to the leadership of Asante Kotoko. Sources ni bini information ni we picking a crash say coachy at some point in time krana na or try so to just matches miensa bi da Asante Kotoko enim matches ya make kan ho asemi Kotoko game on ball against Diana Stars. Next home game Diana had to folk and a club a friend Brekum Chelsea. On the side show Diana had to folk Brekum Chelsea. Na ka coach nyaya kasa matches and nine na ababe nyina so pa e wo discussion ase no ye the ball no kwadu anampen for the ball no kwadu say sa matches no ne modern bonanza so ani Heart of Lions de ne ka ho Bechem United de ne say edimu tintiman pa na wanya Accra Lions 3-0 no eno de se yede no kure kan asem wa na se no ebe bri kuru no eno de ebe bri kuru no pa enra nations 2-0 no because for impenifo nkomodie mu no omo hu ne se Heart of Lions team no yes Mando difficult grounds there. But no mo hwe sene nkwala ntotofe wa no. Esifa edi Asante Kotoko ho agro. Bobo ne to ha. Na wadane na to ha. Na mpenifo nse debi. Ase se saa na money be to aso dia. Se 3 points no ne 1 point no hu hia chen bibia. Na se saa na money be to aso a. Wan hwe yi na matches ni edi anim na heading. So Kotoko, after the Heart of Lions game, had a technical meeting with Adakwejat and I think it was on a Thursday and a Sunday and a Kotoko meant that objection about said Debbie. They are not really demanding total football or total control over the game from Kotoko. By our time, sir, you dominate the game in few occasions. But America Krana will dominate the game clearly. You are more purposeful and effective. Actually, say, "Oje bone kakra bia uhu a ode koya ade." But oje na untimi mpaase mienu miensa entimi nko create chance ni asaje bone firi unsem. Near the tata wa we born wom so anya 1 point there. But sa de na asesa. O ha dakura obehia obi a ne ho ha oje born bebere firi unsem onim de ode ye no. Wan hwe ya na wa how. So they applauded the manager after the Heart of Lions game, but they asked him to please try and improve on that aspect. Send your beggar. Other matches no year 2 years after chita for no mbeba omuko fiom ni bibi na eko plus the 3 points and town community try and Kotoko against a year Bechemu after Heart of Lions there now and the score ending in a draw. Honestly, that was also a game clearly you can say that Bechemu United dominated Asante Kotoko. Nti nejuada and I'm penning for signing coach Kotana say on a coach Becca said that in 70 beer a ya Kotoko bobo yeah about on team free a chita from penning for Nibu Hono and some fata. Nasan semono de unnecessary pressure at the bad team so. Inti whilst in penning for a pebby be a free hono. Ono so sere kotochre a yem penning for some more than pa. Na sansem no omuntwitwa so to be steady a and then Kotoko this statement ba bonten ebe ma wiase nyina hu se coach na oyo omadwuma no wo mota na chi nenden wo akwaniase nyina so just to make things clear to the supporters to release the pressure. So even on a match day they came out to throw their support to the head coach and it's a Lion sankoye ne 3 tie hono ena menti ye kire me se mpanifo started se omo pebo ba bi no omo de omo nan esiso na emo omo pebo ba de omo nan esiso no match na be koso abrankese na be kire se omo nkoso anhwehwe obi na omo beto aso ana se omo nya gidie we manager no eno so na kire se ekoye mienu tie no ade omo hia ene de na akoye se san komo ye didi a say no man ultimatum. I'll make it clear. At no point in a Kotoko coach Ogum say win these 3 matches or you are out. Name now komodidi na koswama o mama coach na say o mani nje en modern mona wodi gu akwan mu no. Na ho behia say obesesa se Kotoko pese oji kuruwa na de ho behia so obesesa. Because at some point in time no na mpanifo pese o me na clear say who be answer Kotoko be remain competitive. Eda so league ni nkomo Kotoko be wo mu a na nkoye se Kotoko free league ni na de ni da so nyine kogu FA Cup no. Se also na FA Cup na mfa na se season abawe ye ntem. Enti yenkurekure mu a na bia se ye 2 points kura na ye between Kotoko any Gold Stars. And Sunny about Kobo FA Cup now against Chelsea na ni akobo. Ti say no FA Cup now nko ya it means because 2 points there. And Kotoko will play the FA Cup semi-final before they will play Gold Stars. So if they maintain it at 2 points, then we bet me a case any year the ni break ko baby any akoshe Gold Stars. Na kwaya te say league na free club nsa na okobo Chelsea die na say Chelsea die na amfape the season is over. Nti coach aware. Do kind say after what a constructive discussion between both parties with a shared understanding that this is the best interest of the club at this time. We thank Coach Ogum for his dedication and his service to the club. We wish him the best in his future endeavors. Into us steady ya, we enya Kotoko awo turo se wapamu coach no. We ye di omo mana kwaye te se omo any coach ni nyina konti asiema ko benkruma hu se da bi. Ebre na aduru no. Club ne future ne ntoaso e wo ne o ma esi nani so no. Say omuntem etimitete. Inti don't forget say yenya ne ntie say Coach Ogum wo no. He was being admired by a big job. There was a big job omo admire Coach Ogum pa. So the club also want to end it on a nice note without creating any form of oyo waya bia. Inti ne ne de ashawa kama so ye coach no. And as you see, yati ya mwasi ya yinyina yeje ejuma na to. Nti yenko ye sake. We urge our supporters to remain calm and continue to support the club during this transition. Future updates will be communicated in due course. Nese Asante Kotoko twaswa kan chire na chita for se omoma abotoyem embra womudwumadie nu. Obia enya abotre ewo ne nkomodie nu ene ne dwumadie mu. Emma ebufu bi emba, emma yente asie bi emba, ene yempini bi emba, obia enya abotre. Na ntotoya aka no club no be dan na di e di ama chitaafo ne obia ma obia enya ntiasie mapa. Minhwehwe mu kire se Asante Kotoko kuo no enim coach a oba. A hwehwemu no kura kire se empema nkopisi ukua dade na mpanimfo mienu a omu dip tintiman a omu besom firi sabre kopem se season e bebe awiye no omo ne omo ano baabaye e bebe awiye kama ama hontoma pa no atimi abaso na so mbepom hontoma. But that is not why we are here this afternoon. Whether you are listening to us on Inside Kotoko or on Porcupine Stand, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, the news is out there. Kotoko, I'm making it clear, say, Omodo BBS, Omoda Coach Ogum. A big thank you, and Omodiama coach. I know there will be a lot of discussions as to whether it was a good decision or was a right decision. Whether after this decision, can Kotoko, within this 6 points range, still do everything possible to win the league? And I know say it will still be a big conversation. Based on the remaining matches in the Ghana Premier League. Don't forget say Gold Stars beko Chelsea. So if Chelsea at this point, the Ebesiani say Kotoko need to try as much as possible. The game no only Gold Stars but body there. Obetimi akwa Gold Stars. That is one. Now your game against Adriana you must win. Your game against Hartlepool you must win. So how much is name? Then you beat Chelsea in the semi-final of the FA Cup. And some other ones are Twaso. To at least keep your hope in the FA Cup. So it's a long shot. That's a long shot. And I say, but send a tie canon. A bre and a betre. Time will definitely justify whether this decision is a good decision or not. For the fans expressing their opinion, it's all over. What you say? As usual, you know, sir, there'll be divided attention. Kotoko official YouTube or Facebook page. over 300 comments. Your mua wamu chada pa. Omo to be edemane the IMC. Oshasi also be actual you just clap. How can you sack a coach with 6 matches to go? And all this shaking my head aba. Onu hu ne say and 7 fatase aka matches in sia. Na ye this season nyina aba na wie ye ho. And na oba beja coach kwan say untimi ene ne nya adwuma biem. That is his understanding of the game. Obi so say all the best doctor. Neso obi so beba na waba beda eye coach Ogum ase e wo modern bo awabo. Obi so beba ba be kan oh thank you wasandodo. Neso obi so say there be yenda eye oda management na ase. Because coach na wo ye adwuma no ne bre kura se wodi no wadi bre na broso because ne modern bo no e wo form papa. Obi say urade me da wase. Nye se obi so de urade ase. Se coach no ye ja no kwan. Obi so ba tro club ya remain supreme. Nye se akwani ase nyina so no yen hwe de se fata Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko din no de beboa ma team no atimi atumpon no ene ne yen hwe na yemfa emma eye club no. And so you so dia what they ebayo. Enti as usual, lots of comment. Me twaso na obiso dia ba say Sika Akono should be our next coach. Sika Akono. Onye our next coach we say kase easy. To what you say. Na obiso abe true teases 10. He's raising issues about signing of players. Players are Kotoko mo kwan as a result of Ogum coming in. Obviously, also good luck, coach. We wish you well in your future endeavors. Obviously, come to us. You say no. They never appreciated your effort. Yes, we say a house in here. Or so chere na adwen say Kotoko na Ogum bae na one free say Asante Kotoko na nkasa anse da nji Ogum antum. Modern bar of a boy at the mark club. You know that social media will be blazing. Yeah, there's a special video on what has happened on social media, bro. But that's something similar. Social media is blazing. Almost everybody is sharing their opinion concerning how everything is going in terms of Ogum staying at Kotoko and Ogum leaving Asante Kotoko. Initially, now I expect to think about the entire technical team based on news about earlier. But we share info here be the entire technical team, no. Inti ebe trying for further communication, just like we said, Kotoko say all konenim no or the insane P asem no ebe ba abonten. That means he's going to communicate to all of us concerning this issue and what will happen. Into where the tiawa obesi etew. You confirm the yebeka and opano. You know that when it comes to a porcupine standing inside Kotoko dia, now it's associated with Obed dia. Say news no Kotoko nkwa dia. Unim say Obed. Baby, I may ura kofa ban. You be ura kofa ba. I know a lot of you be waiting for my opinion on this particular issue. Don't forget, we will definitely bring the opinion. A bit trase. Na ya pensing semunum na ya di adwen chere mapa. Efa semi ediaba. Don't I'll definitely drop my opinion on this particular conversation. But for now, the Enfa news, embro. So, I don't know. You can feel free to also drop your comment. Our comment section, I say. So I say also bet me the comment about our comment section. I say, do you support or you also think this decision is a wrong decision? SN any pebi church or Facebook. Ya best share you. Bye bye.